Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset iPhone. So first of all, launch settings on your iOS device. Okay, here we go. Now simply tap on the option of General. Now once you come to General, scroll down below till the bottom and then you'll see the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now over here you'll see two of the options at the bottom. If you tap on the option of reset, you'll see various options here. To factory reset, you have to tap on the option of reset all settings on top. If you wish to, you can also tap on the option of erase all content and settings. After tapping on these options, you will be able to factory reset your iPhone. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.